come to Weichai to experience the real high temperature. The weather has been hot recently, but you still need to be fully armed. This is Weichai's material forming workshop, where the daily temperature is above 42 degrees. Do you see the molten iron with sparks in this furnace? This is burnt by an electric furnace. In order to ensure the quality of the engine, its temperature must reach a very high temperature before it can be poured. The first step to prevent heat stroke and cool down is to start with traditional mung bean soup. This step is called slag, which is to fish out the waste in the molten iron to ensure the smooth flow of the molten iron. Pour the molten iron into the insulation circuit and wait for pouring. It's really too hot. Let me take you to immerse yourself in making ice cream. This is our workers' cool room. The air conditioner is on all day, and the temperature is only 23 degrees. Not only that, did you see it? A refrigerator full of ice cream. You can take it if you want to eat it, and you can directly realize ice cream freedom. Look, there are some anti-heat medicines here. These medicines are not only here, but also at our workstations, and there will be volunteers from the union to check and replenish at any time. You asked me if this material forming workshop is hot. I can only tell you that it is really very hot. But it is precisely this passion and test that has made the engine reliable. Here's a toast to Weichai.